In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a template in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have a reusable, polished template that keeps your designs consistent and saves you time every time you start a new project. First, open Adobe Express, either in your browser or the app. From the home screen, create a new design or open one you've already started. If you're starting from scratch, choose a canvas size that fits how your design will be used, like a social post, flyer, or presentation slide. If you're opening an existing design, you're already a step ahead. Next, build out your layout, colors, fonts, and images so the design reflects the style you want to reuse. Arrange your sections clearly. Think header area, body content, and footer, so future edits are easy and predictable. Apply your brand colors and choose readable fonts with clear hierarchy, such as a bold heading, a clean subheading, and body text that stays legible at smaller sizes. Add images or graphic elements that will stay consistent across versions, like background photos, shapes, or logos. As you place elements, keep spacing and alignment tight to ensure everything looks professional. Now, replace any specific text with placeholders. Click into each text box and swap real content with generic labels like title, subtitle, name, or date. Be descriptive so anyone using the template knows exactly what goes where. For example, main headline, event date, or contact info. You can also include brief cues, like keep under 10 words or use full name, to guide future editors without cluttering the design. Before you turn this into a template, lock any elements that shouldn't be moved or changed. Select backgrounds, logos, decorative lines, and any layout containers you want to keep fixed. Then use the lock control so they stay in place. This helps protect your structure and prevents accidental edits. If you have grouped items, lock the group to keep everything aligned. When your design looks right and your placeholders are set, go to the top right and click Share, then choose Create a Template. This turns your design into a reusable file that others can open and customize without altering your original structure. If you're making a personal version for repeat use, you can also duplicate the project and keep it as your own starting point for future designs. That's it. You've built a clean, flexible template in Adobe Express that keeps your visuals consistent and makes every new project faster.